Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make 3 types of bracelets, 3 designs. Now for the first one we are going to need fish line, and then we need a big flower bead, and then small crystal beads, then a chain, 2 rings and 2 string holders. Now let's get started. Now we stick the 2 fish lines into the string holder and press them tight so that they don't fall out. That's what we are going to use to put a ring and a hook on that will be used to tie. So you stick those fish lines inside. Then after sticking the fish lines into the string holder, we use tape and stick the string holder onto the board so that we can be able to put the beads and they are not moving around. After sticking the string on the board, we put 2 beads on each side, each string. 2 beads on this string, 2 beads on the other string. Now for the third bead that we are going to put on one string, we are going to interchange the strings so that one string goes to the other side and the other this side. Then we repeat again the process until we make 4 of them. Two beads here, 2 beads there, and one third bead which we're going to intercross the strings. Of them, then you put the big flower bead. You make sure you repeat the process of 2 on the sides, 2 on the sides, then 1 in the middle. 2 on the side, each string 2, 2, 1 in the middle. And repeat it 4 times, like how you already did it the other side. Now when you finish repeating 4 times, we now tie. Again we get the strings, the fish line, we stick it into the other string holder and press hard. But before that you have to make sure you pull the beads and make them organized, because now they look like they have space. You pull them down and then they go stuck to each other. get a ring, you put it in one of the holes on the holders, and then you put a hook. Then on the other side you get one other ring, you put it in one of the hole of the holder, then you put a chain. There you go. That's one of the bracelets. You can adjust it because there's a chain. You can adjust it and put the hook in any of the holes that you want to fit your size. The second bracelet is that one of the clover beads. That one we are going to need an elastic string or stretchy rubber string. Then you cut according to your size, the size of the wrist. And now you start by putting one bead in the middle. One side you put one clover bead, and the other side one clover bead. Now here you get tape and stick the rubber string onto the board, and then on the other side you put another clover bead. After that you put the number of beads that you would want to be on the other side. As for me, I put 9. You put the number of beads that can suit your wrist on one side, and then also on this side of this clover you'll also put the same number of beads. Now here you remove the tape and then tie the strings. You can choose to tie 2 to 3 times. Then after, you push the string into the other next beads after the knot, either 2 to 3 beads, and then you cut so that the other leftover string cannot be seen. Then you can pull the string on top, pull the bead on top of the knot so that you cover the knot. Have the second bracelet. For the last bracelet, we are going to use elastic strings. 2 this time because we are going to make 2 lines. Those 2 lines, we are going to use the pink crystal beads, and then 1 big flower bead. Now let's get started. Stick the string onto the board with tape again, and then leave one thread that you're going to use to put the beads. So you put the beads according to the size of your wrist. And when you put one, if you put 10 this side on this thread, this string, also put 10 the other side, so that they are equal number and they match. Put the same number on the next string also, so that they are the same number. Now on the other side also do the same thing, put the same number of beads that you put on the other side on the strings. Check if the number is the correct number, and then you start tying. Tie 1 1 1 line, 1 1 string. First tie the lower string and then also the upper string. After you finish making a knot, you always cut and then you pull a bead to cover the knot so that it doesn't look untidy. For watching, please subscribe, like, and you can share my videos too. Thank you.